kit opened up. Let's see what it comes with. So we've got our main float here. This is going to hold the pump. We've got some mounting brackets, bit of hardware here, and our different shaped nozzle heads. So these are going to change the spray. Most important part, we've obviously got our pump here, so pretty heavy duty. These also come with 30 meters of lead here as well, and a specific plug for this unit. Also an optional debris cage here, which screws on the bottom. So if you've got lots of leaves, that can be really helpful. Some tools we're going to need, very simple, just some scissors to chop off some cable ties. We've got some spanners and a drill here, so very simple stuff. One, let's flip our base over and we can put our mounting brackets for the pump on. All right, now our brackets are on. Step 2, we can flip our pump upside down and line that up and bolt it in. Next step, we're going to plug our power cable in. So the hole is pre-lubed, just for added waterproofing. So that is going to go straight in there. It's a three prong, so just line your prongs up. There we go. And tighten. Now these are just plastic fittings, so make sure just to finger tighten. Nice and tight, but not overly. Now what we're also going to do then is wrap this cable around and cable tie it for added strength. A little bit of slack over here, so we don't want to be putting too much pressure on here, on these fittings. And that looks pretty good. Alright, so one other little cable tie just on the edge here as another support. Obviously you're working with electricity here, so take all the safety precautions possible. Trim that off. This is just going to help direct the cable towards the shore and keep it all nice and neat. Our last step before we chuck her in the water, we've got our debris net to go over the top. So this just screws right into the base with some self-tapping screws. Final stage, we're ready to put it in the water. So we've got our cable all laid out and connected. In this situation, lake, so we're just going to walk them out. Usually you'd use a dinghy. So what Matt is going to do is going to walk out there. We're using bungee cord. This body of water is quite low at the minute, but it will raise. So you want something that's stretchy so that the pump can move with the changing water level. So we're going to do 2 anchor blocks, take the pump out, and then we can secure it with our rope, tie it to the edges in 2 points. So when it turns on, it's not going to be spinning around. And finally, step 6 is to power the fountain. You may need an electrician.